Diesel heater. Diesel heater. So my very specific requirement for my diesel heater was a replacement for the furnace that I have in my tent trailer. I hate this furnace. It has one temperature, well, two temperatures, on and off. And gets up to temperature, immediately the temperature plummets, and then it's to turn back on again. It's garbage. I hate it. So what I did was I went in through my external shower port, and I put a inlet for my 3-inch hose, and then this is connection for the power from that'll be running off of the trailer power. So I'm going to hook this guy up and show you how this works. Normally I put some hose clamps on here, but plug one end into my heater. One into the trailer. And then I've got this guy, which comes down here. And there we go, we're hooked up. Let's go in and spark it up. So one last thing to do is hook up to the controller. And we're connected. I just need to use my handy dandy remote now. Turn it on. So the way I have this feeding in right now, it comes in through there, the pipe, splits it off so that the hot air blows out in two different directions from the main cavity here. So it comes out that side, and it comes out that side. So it gives us a more even heat distribution. The old furnace was right here, and the thermostat was over there. And so this would crank up to 1,000,000,000,000 degrees and never approach that thermostat. And so it'd be freezing over there, it'd be roasting over here, and it would blast and blast and blast and blast until it finally got to temperature, and then it would shut off completely. Then the temperature and the tent trailer would immediately drop, and then the thing would turn back on again, and it shakes the whole tent trailer, rattles, and makes an awful racket. So really hoping that this diesel heater is going to do a better job, because it's not going to shut off in the middle of the night. It will keep running just at a lower temperature and adjust as required. And it's not going to shake the whole tent trailer either. So I'm really looking forward to giving it a try out in the campgrounds. So it's at 15C inside of the tent trailer already. So it's set to 10, so it's not going to crank up too high. So let's change that. Let's try and get it up to 20 in here. So glow plug is still going. It usually takes about 5 minutes for it to get a temperature, glow plug to shut off, and it really start pumping out the heat. Well, there goes the glow plug at 3 minutes. So then it's just the fan. Warm, not that hot yet. It's not up to full temperature yet. So it's only been running for a couple of minutes so far, and it's already gone up from 15 to 17 degrees Celsius inside of here, so it's doing a real nice job. I'm going to put it to the test in a few days. It's supposed to be -7 overnight, and I'm planning on sleeping out of here with this thing going overnight, so we'll see how it does in a situation like that. I think outside right now it's about +9, maybe +10, so 7 degrees difference. It's jumped up to 18 degrees now. So I'm going to turn it down, let it calm down. It's only been 4 minutes. It's gone up 3 degrees Celsius in here. So I'm going to turn it down to 15. So then that should calm the whole unit down, and we'll see what it sounds like in here. So I'm in the sleeping area right now, and it's down in maintenance mode. I can hear it. I don't know if the camera is picking it up. I can actually hear the pump. That's not great. Ouch. All right, I'm going to shut her down.